Hello everyone, my name is Jarvis Chen. I'm from Weidmüller Division Cabinet Products. Now, I'm the product support for digital signaling products within Asia region. Today, I would like to share with you our new products, DRG series relays. From the appearance, you can find the dimensions are quite similar, like our existing DRM and DRE series. And it can fix to different types of sockets. For detailed information, I will explain to you later.
As the new member of our D-series relays, DRG has a lot of features and benefits. Now, I would like to share with you. First, DRG series belong to basic line, and it has upper mid-spec performance. It's our first time to use V0 flammability rating housing for D-series relays. So, if the customer has special requirement for this one, we can recommend DRG series. For the contact material, we have the normal one AGNI and the special one AGNI with gold plated. Normally, if the customer wants to switch the small signal, such as the PLC output with some milliampere signal, we can choose this kind of gold-plated contact. And we have high performance for the continuous current. Two changeover can be up to 12 ampere, and four changeover type can support 6 ampere. Our electrical lifetime under rating resistive load could be 150,000 cycles, which is quite special. We provide various control voltage type. For DC volt, we provide 12 to 220 volt, and for AC type, we provide 24 to 230 volt. Especially for DC 220 volt, it's quite rare in the market for the same level relays. A lot of transportation and power distribution industry customer has the special requirement for this type. We provide optional test button for jog and latch mode. As our finger has pointed, you can find we have the push button in red for AC type and blue for DC type. If you use finger to push or a screwdriver to push, it can make the contact instantaneously closed. While if you pull the test lever in orange, you can make the contact closed fixedly. For all DRG articles, we have provided integrated with status LED, red for AC type and green for DC type. It's quite convenient for customer to know the status of a relay. And for 24 volt DC, we provide freewheeling diode to protect the electrical circuit. DRG has multiple approvals, for example, CE, CURUS, CCC, and ROS. So it can meet different market requirements. As launched last September, we had developed a lot of customers from our target markets who had already placed orders or showed their potential to our DRG series. Now, I would like to share with you. First, transportation industry, we have several customers who are the provider for the transportation traction system for city metro and subways. Normally, they will choose DC 110 and 220 volt. Energy, for example, some hydraulic, wind energy. Process industries, things in process system, they will have DCS system, will use this kind of industry relays. Power distribution. As we have mentioned, DRG has used visual housing and got China CCC approvals, which is required by China State Grid Company. So DRG has this kind of benefits to spec in their projects. We have a lot of suppliers such as ABB and Pinggao who have already used DRG for this kind of projects. Machinery, for the customer who need to build up some control cabinet, they need to use this kind of relays with high performance. I think our target markets are not only limited to this information, we can cooperate with each other and explore more business opportunity. If the customer need to choose DRG, we have the following naming rules, which is quite similar to our existing D series. For example, the type code is DRG, and 270 means 2 changeover contacts. 570 means 4 changeover contacts. Totally, we have 9 kinds of control voltage. For DC, we have 12, 24, 48, 110, and 220. For AC, we have 524, 548, 6, 15, 7, 30. So customer can choose the control voltage based on our code. For the optional parts, as we have mentioned, all DRG articles have integrated with LED, so they will have the letter L. If the customer want to use optional type with test button, they can choose the article with T. And for 24 volt DC, we can provide optional freewheeling diode D. Normal contact material AGNI. For special requirements, as we mentioned, to switch small signal, you can choose AGNI gold-plated contact. We will have the letter AU, which means gold. So, for example, if the customer wants to choose 4 changeover 24 volt DC with LED and test button, normal AGNI contact, the article number is DRG 470 024 LT. As we have fixed the choice for DRG series relays, now we need to help customer to choose proper sockets, retain clip, and functional socket if necessary. For example, DRG can work with our D-series push-in sockets, separate sockets SCM and SCM equal, fixed sockets FS, and fixed sockets with finger protection cover FS IRC. If the customer needs to use the relay kits in the environment with vibration, we highly recommend to install with our retain clip to fix our relays. For example, we can choose plastic clip, metal clip, and metal clip sets. Then, if we want to have more protection function, we can install freewheeling diode for DC type coil or RC resistor capacity module for AC type coil, since it has protective circuits inside to help us extend the lifetime of relays. Then we'll get our DRG relay kits to install on our DIN rail. What's more, if the customer wants to customize their DRG kits, as long as they provide the BOM to us, we can help them to assemble DRG kits in Weidmüller Suzhou factory, which can help the customer to simplify their purchasing process and save labor cost. As we have launched DRG first in China market, to promote our new products, we deliver the slogans in Chinese. It's called 迪系列天新成员，二路四路任您选，具有3C 和 V0，高性价比为双赢。Since DRG is the new member of the series relays, we can provide 2 changeover and 4 changeover type with various coil types. G means DRG has CCC certification and used V0 housing. High cost performance to ensure win-win from customer and Weidmüller. Customer can get this kind of upper mid-spec performance relays, and Weidmüller can extend our market share of the relays in the market. I think we can cooperate with each other to develop the slogan in your own language. Let's have a try. Okay, so for the DRG sales release, we have prepared several sales tools. For example, for the document, we have provided the catalog in Chinese and English, brochure for your promotion with the customer in seminar or other fairs. We also prepared a benchmark for the relays with similar performance in the market. For detailed information, we can check via the online catalog to search the part number and articles, and check the data sheet, even download from the website for your reference. To promote new products, we think sample reel is quite necessary for customer to detailed know our products, as the picture has shown. And later, I think we can work with each other to prepare some newsletter and product launch notes in your social media platform, such as Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. So, that's our introduction part for new products. Should you have any question or feedback, feel free to contact me via below message. We are one Weidmüller. Let's connect. Thank you for your attention.